I'm out here changing one of the bulbs in the brake light on the Ford Windstar. I'm just going to lift the hatch up. Got the camera set up on the tripod, and I got the Phillips screwdriver, two screws right here. Sometimes it's been on quite a while, you gotta pull it quite hard to get stuck. This one here is okay, you can open it just like, I'll position the camera a bit better here. Okay, in the top one is your running light and your brake lights. So you got to turn this to get the bulb out, but before you do that, you have to unclip the wire harness here. Now you'll be able to turn it off. Show you that here. So my hand's not in the way here. And then you can just pull out the bulb. And put a new bulb in. I got another one from the auto wrecker, which was good. I tested. I'll get it here. Okay, I got a different bulb. Make sure the connections are good here. Clip it back in. It should only fit one way. Before you install it again, you can plug it in to the wire harness here, and then you can check and see if both filaments work. One is your running lights and one is your brake lights. And just below that here is your four-way flashers, and below that one is your backup lights. But I'm just concerned about the brake lights now. See, and then you can't get it in until you clip off the wire harness again. Okay. And then I'll clip it in. There, it's ready to go. There, it's back together again.